here I am, the second coming of Christ consciousness. I've been encouraged to reach out to extraterrestrials, but I want to extend that to light workers as well. I've started a Seeds of Love movement where I make little cards. I'll show them here. They're synchronicity cards, and I'm planting them all over, like putting them all over stores and just kind of hiding them everywhere, offering up my love to the universe, in the spirit world, all that unseen world that's out there. I'm offering up my love to be used to help awaken the masses, and I just wanted to invite everyone to participate in setting this cosmic alarm clock, because it's time. It's time for us to elevate to a higher level of consciousness, a higher level of love and unity. Yeah, I'm going to the Mall of America this coming week. Hopefully I will have some people meet me there and help me pass these out. I don't know if that's going to happen, if it's just going to be me, but I've got 5,000 of those babies. I'm going to be passing out on the 11th and 12th, passing out and hiding. I'll just add a clip on the end to kind of show what I'm doing. And this is linked to a GoFundMe for UNICEF. So you don't have to donate to that, but if you want to spread the word, let people know that it's linked to a UNICEF fundraiser for GoFundMe for 5,000 cards for Mall of America. And I'll tack on the video of what I'm actually doing with these cards here, so you can actually like see what we're doing. And if you don't have stamps, you could use stickers. You could use like little scraps of paper. I'm using Post-it cards. You can just hand write like positive affirmations on them. Anything you feel guided to write that is positive and loving. Any kind of symbols like, you know, butterflies or hearts, anything that you would have asked for. Typically I feel like that's pretty easy. Like it's going to be pretty easy for the spirit world to utilize the things that like we most commonly ourselves have asked for, because we're not alone. Like the things that we ask for are typically the things that other people ask for, like butterflies and dragonflies and, you know, who knows, like monkeys or, you know, whatever you got. But yeah, I just wanted to invite anybody who wants to participate in this. I'm not ending it at the Mall of America. Mall of America is just the beginning. I already did the mall in my area, but this is just the beginning of a world tour of Seeds of Love.